WT0487, Shirley Ronquillo, 36 years old, single mother, high school graduate, 2 years experience, domestic helper in Saudi Arabia. Tell me something about yourself.
Good day. I am Shirley Ronquillo, 36 years old. I am a single mother and I have 3 children. I am presently residing in Sucat, Parañaque, Philippines. And I am a high school graduate with a basic knowledge in computer.
How many hours travel going to Manila?
It takes 2 hours.
If with children, who will take care of them?
My mother.
Tell me something about your domestic helper in Saudi Arabia.
I look after the children, fetching them from school, preparing food, cleaning the rooms, and do all the necessary tasks.
Okay. Do you know how to cook Chinese foods?
Yes.
Example?
Like Chinese pechay, stir fry.
Okay. Are you willing to take care of newborn baby?
Yes.
How about the elderly?
Yes.
Do you know how to do bottle feeding?
Yes.
What are the steps of bottle feeding?
I make sure that the bottle is sterilized and give the exact amount of milk and water.
If the baby still keep crying, what will you do?
I will check the child if there's something wrong with her, if there's an insect bite or it feels hungry.
If the baby has fever, what will you do?
I will check the temperature and inform my employer.
Okay. Do you know how to sing lullaby song?
Yes.
Yes. Give me one example.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
Okay, thank you very much. If you feel homesick, what will you do?
I'll make PC myself.
If one of your family members will get sick, will you break the contract?
No.
What will you do?
I will ask for the financial assistance for them.
What could you teach the children?
I will teach them a good money and good values.
How long can you work in Hong Kong and why Hong Kong?
I'd like to finish my contract, and Hong Kong is the best country to.
Message to Bison employer.
If given a chance, I am willing to serve your family with my full heart.
Okay, thank you very much.